We need more hands over here for the potatoes.
Coming, just finished the peas.
These potatoes are looking good today. Job.
Yes, almost ready for the truck.
Pull that tight over there. All right, secure now. Let's get going.
Keep coming, easy now. All right, stop. That's good.
Okay, tilt it now. Clear. Let's get the next one.
Make sure the potatoes are spread out evenly.
Okay, I got this section here.
Manifest check complete. Crates match the list. All right, move it to the receiving dock.
All the veggie crates are scanned. Move them to cleaning.
Confirmed. Watch the conveyor speed.
We need to increase the sorting speed on the lettuce crates coming through now. All right, I'll adjust the setting. Make sure those crates are clear.
This batch looks good, moving smoothly.
Watch the merge point on line 3. Yeah. Looks clear, Chief. More dough coming through now. Make sure it lines up for the cutter. The flow rate seems high on the left side.
Yeah, I just adjusted the calibration.
Wait, this one needs adjustment.
Good catch. The others look fine.
Ensure the seals are tight before they move to the fryer. Keep the line moving steadily.
Keep the conveyor speed steady at 15 feet per minute.
Oil temperature is holding at 350.
These look perfect, Maria. Yes, almost ready for the next step.
Make sure the color is consistent.
Yes, and check the shape before they go into the drum.
Keep an eye on the flow rate, it looks inconsistent. I just adjusted the levels, it should stabilize now.
Check the reject rate on screen, it seems high.
Okay, I'll recalibrate the sensor now.
There goes another reject. Good catch by the sensor. The next one is perfect.
These golden samosas look perfect. And the labels are centered. Send them through.
Make sure that one is aligned.
Yep.
Yes, it's straight now. Keep the line moving.
Everything looks good here. Green light all the way. Flawless run so far.
Make sure the labels are straight before they go in. Keep the flow steady.
Temperature holding steady at 180.
Looks good. Moving on to inspection.
That one's off center.
Fixed it. Making sure the barcode clears the edge.
Okay, the alignment is set. No visible damage on the upper layers. Send it to the testing station.
Maintain speed, we're approaching the checkpoint.
Readings are stable. We are clear for phase 9. Tray is ready for the next cycle. Confirmed. Moving to packaging.
Place this tray here for inspection.
Okay, I have the next batch ready.
All clear for storage. Move the first pallet out now. Copy that. Moving the approved batch.
All right, bring it straight back slowly.
Copy that.
This one's good to go. Bring it back slow, watch the left side.
Okay, that's good. Drop it right there.
Okay, that's the last one. We are good to seal it up.
And this is how modern factories produce crispy samosas from start to finish.